Sunquest has been in business for more than 30 years, its success built on a thorough understanding of its market and the needs of its clients.
Sunquest is the largest diagnostic IT software company in the world. We have sales of around $230 million a year. We have over 1,700 hospitals that use our products around the world.
Sunquest is a large team of 650 plus people worldwide, all focused on the same goal.
We operate in the US, in Canada, in the UK, Republic of Ireland, parts of Western Europe, the Middle East, in Australia.
Sunquest Information Systems was born in 1979 from a meeting of minds, those of a pathologist and a medical centre CIO. They recognised the opportunity to reduce medical errors by moving towards more efficient electronic results processing.
If you want to make good clinical decisions, you really need automation and therefore software to ensure the right decisions are made and the right information is available in the fastest possible time. The information about test results generated by a laboratory are really central to the decisions of patient care. And without software to automate that process, there can be significant errors.
We need to have a system in place that allows the correct information to go in in an efficient manner. Everything goes to that ultimate end of creating a better experience for the patient.
A privately held independent company based in Tucson, Arizona, Sunquest numbers among its clients the Henry Ford Health System, the Cleveland Clinic and University of Pittsburgh Medical Center, and the Cancer Treatment Centers of America.
One of the great advantages of being able to have that kind of face-to-face relationship with a client is really getting to know them as an individual entity. They're not just a voice on the phone, but you do get to see how their business is run, from the small hospitals that only have one facility to the large groups of facilities that have 39, 40 hospitals all at once, and getting to see how they use Sunquest in their labs and how they support that, and there's a lot of learning back and forth that happens too that I can pass on to other clients.
When we understand the clinical setting that our clients are immersed in, we're able to deliver the solution in the same language they speak. They're making a decision for someone. That someone has people that love them, that someone probably has people that are waiting beside them, finding out if they're going to get ready to enter into a fight for their life. We deliver the information that answers that question.
A leader in the convergence of clinical and anatomic pathology, Sunquest says it has developed its business by putting patients at the heart of its solutions. Its track record has ensured growth even in challenging economic times.
Over 80% of our organization are customer outwardly facing, and so that challenge of growth on a global basis and remaining very close to the customer was a challenge we faced and one which we deliberately set about achieving. And today we have over a third of our staff involved in innovating our products. We're now releasing 4 times the amount of products per year. We're writing 6 times the amount of code per year.
We have a very strong value proposition, return on investment that can happen very quickly by using our products that can ultimately not only save them money, but deliver better and safer patient outcomes.
Sunquest has shown thought leadership in the healthcare market too. For example, the concept it's developed to safeguard patient safety in laboratory testing.
We've done a number of before and after studies with some of our clients that have worked with our point of care solutions, and we've seen an enormous drop in labelling errors of specimens, for example. We're creating software to support what they already need to do.
We've got a passionate and enthusiastic group of people here that have a lot of background in the laboratory information system world and improving these patient outcomes ultimately.
I think that it's exciting that we're helping the world be a safer place, even if it's just a little bit at a time. I think that's really satisfying at the end of the day.
There's an immense freedom to contribute. There's an openness to ideas. When I have an idea, when I want to do something, I can do it, or I can discuss doing it. There are opportunities that you can see often that are never restricted by process.
And you said we already have
Sunquest identifies significant opportunities to develop the adoption of new technologies, such as molecular and genomic testing. These, it says, will enable a fundamental transformation of healthcare, moving the focus from diagnosis and treatment to prognosis and prevention of illness.
What's critically important to me is that we really think about the human aspect of what we do as a company. When I first joined Sunquest, I felt that there was the potential here to build an organization with a heart. As we continue to grow, it's about really showing that we do have a heart and we do care and that we can make a difference.